Hi, I'm Rick Friedman, and I'm really looking forward to returning to the Xposure International Photography Festival in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates, where I'll be teaching two different lighting workshops on November 22nd and November 24th. On November 22nd, I'll be leading a speed lighting masterclass. We'll be starting out with a single speed light and then progressing to multiple speed lights and adding in studio strobes. We'll be learning how to control our light in all different ways using all types of light modifiers. And then we're going to learn to add color into our photographs. On November 24th, I'll be leading a fast-track lighting workshop. We'll cover the fundamentals of lighting, learning how to create a portable studio, both inside and outside. These workshops will begin in the studio, and then we're going to take them out to the beautiful streets of Sharjah. These are very hands-on workshops. You're going to learn how to set and control the light, and you'll be photographing wonderful models. Look forward to seeing you at Xposure.